So the question is, if x is equal to y over 2, so evaluate x3 over y3 plus this plus 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. So in this question, we just easily, since x is this, we're going to substitute this value into this place and then solve to get our answer. So in this case here, our solution is going to be x, where we'll see x, we're putting this value, so we have y over 2 3. Now we should change this division sign to this division sign, y3, so plus 1 over 2, we're done, divided by, now come here, 1 over 2 minus, so x is now what, y over 2, y over 2 square divided by y square. So that's the first step. So next thing to do is to open this bracket. So in this case here, we are going to have y3 over 2 raised to power 3. This bracket is for this bracket signify that the 3 is for the both of them. So 2 raised to power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So divided by, so change the division sign to multiplication, we have 1 over y3 plus 1 over 2. I'm going to do the same thing, divided by here, 1 over 2 minus, so this will be y square divided by 4, means 2 square is 4, so times 1 over y square. When you change the times, the numerator comes down, so this is going to eliminate this. We have 1 over 8 here plus 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2 minus, this is going to eliminate this, 1 over 4. So we'll take the LCM of this is 8 into 8 is 1 plus 8 into 4, 8 into 2 is 4 times 1 is 4 divided by 1 over 2, sorry, I'm taking the LCM here, 4 into 2 is 2 times 1 is 2 minus 4 into 4 is 1 times 1 is 1. So 1 plus 4 is 5 over 8, division sign divided by 1 over 4. So this is going to give us 5 over 8 times 4 goes up over 1. So the answer is 5 times 4 is 20 over 8. If you break this down, 4 into 20 is 5 over 4 into 8 is 2. So you check if your answer is this, you tick it. If it's not this, you can break it to improper fraction, to mixed fraction, sorry. This is going to be 1 whole number, 2 whole number, 1 over 2. So how many 2 is inside 5, and then the remainder over 2. So that's the answer. So try to solve it again yourself. If you make any mistake, pause it and come back to the video.